Please, sir. Please. No, it's okay. Of the college, I welcome the NAC committee member and I invite you to the principal. By the Director of Higher Education, and the governing body is the next level of administrative body which looks at the academic infrastructure and administrative maintenance of the college, and the direction and decision of the governing body is executed by the principal of the college, and the principal is assisted by several level of officers like IQAC coordinator, academic council convener, and also administrative officers who are mostly the librarian of the college, office bearers like senior assistant, junior assistant, UGC nodal officer, RUSA nodal officer, PIO. At the academic level, we have the departments parallelly functioning with the cells and committees to provide and maintain good academic atmosphere in the institute, sir. So, as I have already said that IQAC of the college tries to maintain the good academic quality practices in the institute. The administrative works are mostly done by the senior and junior assistants in the college. Academic affairs are looked over by the academic in charge and heads of the departments. And there is horizontal distribution of responsibilities among the coordinator and conveners of various cells and committees, sir. We have statutory cells like GB, ICC, ST, SC, OBC, grievance redressal cell and anti-ragging cell. And we also have many non-statutory cells like career counseling cell, Eco Club and NSS, NCC, sir. So, these are the policies of the government we follow accordingly. Assam Provincialized College and Non-Government College Management Rule 2010 we follow. We also follow UGC regulations, Guwahati University guidelines and regulations, state government's reservation policy we also follow, and PM Usha guidelines we also follow. As for the human resources in the institute is concerned, principal is in the office for the last 1.5 years. We have during the assessment period we had 30 field of teaching posts out of a total number of permanent sanction, government sanctioned 30 posts. Among them 7 number of associate professors were there and 23 numbers of assistant professors were there during the assessment period, sir. And there are also faculties sanctioned, permanent regular faculties sanctioned by the management, 13, and all 13 posts were filled during the assessment period, madam. There we have also non-teaching staff. Total posts are sanctioned by the government 15. Out of 15, 5 posts remain vacant during the assessment period. And out of the management,
some of the faculties are prominent and their books are been given as a reference book from Guwahati University. Among them, Dr. Dhiren Das, he is the father of Dr. Kalyan Das. He was our former faculty member, and his book has been recommended by the Guwahati University. Another prominent faculty, that is Dr. Dijendranath Bhakot, he is now currently president of Rajbongshi Sahitya Sabha, and his book is also recommended by the Guwahati University. So, we do participate in following ways. We used to do set question papers for UG program in external as well as internal examination. Our engagement in assessment and evaluation process in the university, affiliating university, and we also design and develop the curriculum of add-on courses. So our faculty ensures the effective curriculum delivery like this way. We do prepare a daily class routine based on the central class routine provided by the principal. We do course distribution, follow the academic calendar as well, and conduct continuous internal evaluation. We do have teachers' diary, and also we maintain a HOD's diary. Remedial and tutoring classes are taken and records are maintained, and mentor-mentee interaction is introduced in our. This is the sample of the our departmental routine, and we do distribute our course in this way. And this is the academic calendar from 2019 to 2024. We have uploaded this in our Assamese department website. And continuous evaluation, we do have the process. There is a sample question paper as well as sample answer script. This is the marks folio, and we do have a mechanism of redressal of students' grievance. So exam related grievance is being redressed by our department. So just a sample copy is given here. So this is the sample of the teacher's diary. Remedial and tutorial classes are taken and records are maintained in this way, and mentor-mentee list is there, and just a list is given here. Okay. So in curriculum enrichment, we do have certain.
This is very nice, sir. From 50% it became 100% result.
Yes. 50% at the end of the COVID. During COVID it was better.
Online.
Before COVID it was bad.
No, I think we didn't have exam also.
During COVID
We didn't have exams. They skipped exam. Right? So they didn't write semester exam. The internal assessment we passed.
Yeah.
Yeah, very well.
But what happened in 2023? 100% very fast. Learning.
This is
All the novel rates.
Notably aluminum. One aluminum
And these all novel rates.
जोड़ के आप बनाइए बहुत आप पैकिंग नहीं बनेगा भाई
इनको ढूंढिए और यूरोप them up and then do the show.
really nice
bank employees. They can come and help them to do bank exam.
Yes.
power DA news plus live
Even in schools, there are Bengali teachers. They don't have kids to teach.
Oh, nice. Which department are you here? Because the number of admissions are less.
single person
Right.
Arabic and you know
Sanskrit.
बच्चे कम होंगे
Students are less.
Hindi, how many students are there, sir? Admission.
40 total
First year, second year, third year together.
total 30-40 आप क्या 45
Oh.
पूरा
पढ़ाई
पूरा क्लासेस सब क्लास मिलकर
ठीक है
ठीक है.
First year, second year, degree, arts and commerce.
Selected from different places.
something like gallery
Folk and
Good collection.
Naga, no?
Right.
And these are the Gamosa of traditional
Little Gamcha.
Various communities, various tribes in Assam itself.
आपको जो दिया था ये तो असली है
हाँ, हाँ।
ये different tribes का है
Within Assam.
That's
This is the rarest collection of Hatipa.
Saval Kucha, no? Suval Kuch is the place where they weave this.
Yeah.
This is one tower from Full cool. One tower from
ये तबला है अच्छा नगाड़ा है बहुत
Pioneering efforts by great minds often leave an indelible mark on the social and cultural consciousness not only of the people they influence but also of humanity itself. Such an iconic personality was Promethus Chandra Borua, the pioneering filmmaker after whose name Promethus Borua College was established at Gauripur, was born on 24th October 1903. His father, Prabhat Chandra Borua, was the king of Gauripur Raj estate. His mother, Rani Horazbala Borua, was a descendant of the family of Madhukdev, the disciple of Srimanta Shankardeva, who provided the main impetus to the Bhakti movement in the cultural and religious history of Assam. As the kind of life a son of a royal family is entitled, Promethus's childhood was full of fun and games. He swam across the ponds of the Borua estate, played games with other children in the royal family, and learned big game hunting. During his school years, Promethus spent some time in Tagore's Shantiniketan, where he happened to come in contact with Rabindranath Tagore. Promethus graduated with honors in physics from Presidency College, Calcutta. During his college days, the stage and theatre began to attract him. He soon turned into a theatre addict. Sishi Kumar Bhaduri, Natya Samrat of Bengal, was his idol. Promethus went to England in 1926. After joining the board of the British Dominion Company, Promethus acted in a series of silent films. During this period of acting, an actress of the silent film era named Irish Gaspar urged Promethus Borua to build his own studio and produce his own films. While visiting Gauripur during vacations, Promethus set up with like-minded friends a club called the Young Man's Dramatic Club. The group staged plays like Karagar, Noor Jahan, Khaj Bakhal and Philaramir Swadeshika on the permanent proscenium of the Royal Palace of Gauripur. Later on, he proceeded to Paris with a letter of recommendation from Rabindranath Tagore. He learned cinematography in Paris. He returned to Calcutta after purchasing lighting equipment. He built a studio and formed the Borua Film Unit. He used artificial lights and indoor shooting at a time when artificial lights were an unknown trade in India. Under the banner of New Theatre, Promethus Borua directed films like Adhikar, Devdas, Grihada, Mukti and Rajat Jayanti, and each of them was an instant hit. Promethus has the unique ability to play different roles with equal excellence. He made a powerful impact on his audience. With all these contributions, the prince-turned-actor-director Promethus Chandra Borua changed the theatrical manner of stylized acting into the conversational manner of real-life situations. Promethus Chandra Borua was nominated to the Assam Legislative Council as a member in 1928. To this great man during his final journey, he can never be a loser, but a winner of hearts for all ages.
The film industry in India has suffered an irreparable loss in the death of Promethus Borua in Calcutta. Cultured and highly educated, Borua dedicated his life to the improvement of the film as a medium of art. He produced many popular pictures in Hindi and Bengali.
And Promethus Chandra Borua will always remain a shining star for the people, especially for the people of Gauripur.
Of NAC Peer Team, Dr. Rajesh Kumar Chaturvedi, Chairperson, Dr. Anil Kumar Sharma, Member Coordinator, and Dr. Shakuntala Samuelson, Member. On the behalf of entire family of Promethus Borua College, I, Anushka Agarwala, a 5th semester student from the Department of Commerce, welcome you, sir and ma'am, in this cultural event organized by us in your behalf. The culture of Assam is diverse. and blend of diverse tradition. Heritage Assam is an effort to reflect
Students, special thanks to all the participants. We have created a picture of this very zone. You are just sharing all the events like the folk dance, folk music, and the Chandi dance, and so many tribal dances. I am already asking to the principal sahab what is going on, because there is a language problem. I was not just understanding what you are saying, but he suggested me this is for that very thing and this and that. It was very, very particular, the unique participation and the unique performance by all of you. Special thanks to the entire cultural committee and the anchor. I don't recognize your name, but you are tremendous this very thing. And we have so many conversations today with the students, with the faculty. That was very amazing. And the students, the faculty members, and all the staff, I'd like to thank. You are very much competent for this very college. The students are very much ambitious to do something in his life or life. So special thanks to all of you. Thanks again to Principal Sahab and advocacy coordinator and my all dear students. Thanks.
Respected faculty colleagues, faculty of the college. It was truly a very nice experience for the three of us that it's this visit to this place, to this college. Your college is really a wonderful place of learning, and we enjoyed staying here for 2 days. And faculty is very dedicated, they're committed, and you tried at every possible level that you get the best score and the best results out of this assessment. So that finally will depend upon later on the results will be communicated. But your performance, your dedication.
Madam, first I would like to thanks to all faculty members, including Principal Sahab and the government body, for your support in the visit of the NACPR team. Your support is highly appreciable. We learned a lot and we got very good hospitality here. You are doing all very well in your academic field. I hope you will do better in the coming 5 years and you will get much and more marks in the coming year due visit. Thanks to all.